Cargo door opening with electric pump. The forward and the aft cargo doors are identical in design and in operation, only the size is different. The two doors can be opened simultaneously. For each door, the sequence of operation is written on the fuselage. A platform is required to gain access to the door operation controls. Push the handle flap in and pull the locking handle to the unlocked position. Stop the opening procedure if the red warning light flashes. Verify that all indicator flags are out. Make sure that the door can be opened freely. Release and pull the latching handle from the recess to the unlatched position. The door moves freely from the frame. Set the selector to open. The yellow electric pump runs and the door starts to open. When the door is up and locked, the green light comes on. As soon as the light is on, the selector must be released. The electric pump continues to run for a few seconds after the selector is released. The procedure is now completed.